All right. Hey guys, happy Monday. Today's November 11th. It is Veterans Day. So I want to, say happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there, including my dad and my mom. Thank you so much for your service. I really appreciate every single one of you guys who have helped protect this country. And I won't go too deep because y'all know I can really go down a rabbit hole about this current election and our current president and the current my opinion of the current standing of our society today. But I am in my kitchen. I'm on my Sony ZV-E10, and I'm importing footage from the Osmo Pocket 3. I was having some issues with the SD card. My laptop had cut off in the middle of importing footage onto the laptop. And so some of the clips did not copy. So I had to or copy fully. So I had to delete what did come through. Because if I take the SD card out and try to put it back in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, those files disappear and show up in red. So I had to delete and then re-import them so that I'm safe to format the SD card. Format means clear everything off of it, put it back in the DJI, and use it as normal. So right now we're just going to use the Sony. It's bigger. I haven't used my Sony in a minute, but the quality is just so clear and crispy. So I love it. I film in 4K on this camera too. But y'all, I don't know if I'm feeling under the weather or what. Here's my little jammies from yesterday that I bought from Family Dollar. I think I showed you guys a couple of the Christmas things that I got from Family Dollar and all the things that I had to pick up, the roses and stuff that came for me. I'm gonna set those up in water today. The only thing I have to do today is, of course, make a thumbnail for this video so that can go live. I'm gonna put that live tomorrow because it's Tuesday. Because today's a holiday, there's no point. At least for me, I don't think there's a point for me to put anything live today. I just saw a TikTok Milan sent me of a girl with ADHD trying to send a voice message, and it was so relatable for me and her because that's literally how we be sending voice messages. I'm finna show y'all.
Friends with her anymore. We used to be cool, but it's just ever since she got a boyfriend. Oh, should I drink tea? No, I'm gonna drink water. Ever since she got a boyfriend, she was just acting weird towards us. I really genuinely feel like she was acting weird towards us, and she didn't want to be around us anymore. And the thing about it is, it's really hot. The thing about it is, I asked her about it. I literally asked her about it, and she was beating around the bush. Hold on, bro. Why the fuck does my leg itch? I might got a scab. But she was beating around the bush she didn't want to answer the question, and I don't find that cool. If we're supposed to be best friends. Did they drink off my lid? Yeah, wait, let me just send another voice message. This one's almost out. No, I'm not really...
That's literally how I be feeling I am, y'all. That shit be crazy. Hold on. I had to get the autofocus back together. But all I'm doing right now, y'all, is about to make me some coffee. And I need to take Nova to potty. It's 12:36. You want to go to potty first? She probably needs to go potty first before I make coffee. Because I ain't going to want to walk around right after. I am a full-time content creator who posts 3 times a week and makes $10,000 plus off YouTube alone. I'm a fitness enthusiast and eat a proper diet and work out 3 to 5 times a week for the body that I have. My relationship with God is the best it's ever been, and I receive and give Jesus' image in every way. Welcome back. I think it's the same vlog. Today I've been filming on my other camera, just kind of taking today to reground, recenter myself. I've been going out a lot and just been overstimulated and interacting with different people, and I just needed a day for me to do whatever it is that my body felt like doing. It's also 11/11/24, Veterans Day, and so today I've been saying my manifestations that I've written out loud just as well. I did do a little bit around the house, and y'all, I had been, going back and forth with this, I think it's a management company or like agency who reaches out to content creators and gets them like deals with companies. But you guys, I got some products and I'm so excited because I'll be working with this company. And I don't know if I should say something now or later, but whatever. They sent me products to review and I'm just going to go ahead and share. All right, you guys. So we got us some products from Carrie Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before, but I'm excited. They're vegan and Black owned. So that's really exciting for me that I'll be working with a company that is Black owned. I got a little thank you card. They have sent me or gifted me the Carrie Cosmetics Turmeric Facial Cleanser. The benefits of this are our cleanser aids in the unclogging of pores, removal of makeup and impurities in the skin, and helps create an even and clear complexion. I'm excited for that. The turmeric facial toner, I really like that it's a spray bottle for one. But this is enriched with turmeric to help brighten the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. The toner works to soothe skin and prevent it from drying out. Yes, we need that. And then they also sent me the Carrie Cosmetic Turmeric Facial Moisturizer. The benefits is to help brighten and hydrate the skin without oiliness or heaviness for a smooth finish. So I'm really excited to use these. Let me see if there's any apply to wet or damp skin in a circular motion. What does this say? Apply a dime size amount to your finger on a cotton pad. Okay, so sounds like it's a liquid. I thought I'd be spraying it on my face, but I guess not. And then, of course, this is just apply a dime size amount directly under your skin. And make sure you massage until it's absorbed. But y'all, I just feel very blessed. I've been doing laundry and stuff all day, just kind of filming in silence, little things here and there. But I wanted to check in with you guys because I just want to keep the content going. Other than that, I've just been chilling. I have been listening to a new artist that she's new to me. Madison Ryan Ward. I like her a lot. She has been really feeding my spirit today. So I really appreciate her for the good work she does. The Lord touched her, baby. She is touched for sure. Anointed, an anointed woman. I just wanted to say, hey, I've been bumming it all day in my Family Dollar pajamas. Okay. Definitely bumming it all day. I'm going to take a nice shower and do my skincare here in a little while. Fix my hair. And just get ready for the work week. But yeah, y'all. See you in the next clip.